Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be teaching how to take the derivative of a function. Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to be teaching the power rule, and then in my next videos I'll explain the other three rules. So for a power rule, what you need to know is that whenever you want to take the derivative, you write d by dx beside the function. So you could just do d by, Sorry guys, someone walked in. So first for the power rule, you want to look at the original function. Here it is ax to the power of n. Just know that when you want to take the derivative, you'll keep a the same, but you'll bring down the power here and multiply that with a, and you'll minus the power by 1, which is shown here, n minus 1, and then n is brought down. So let's try the first example. It may be confusing now, but when you start doing the examples, it'll become much easier. So here, if you're confused about the a, you can just assume that the a is 1. Then you can write f prime of x. This f prime of x means the same as d by dx. Just easier to write it that way. You'll bring the 3 down because it's n. So 3 times 1, x. And then this is n. So n minus 1, 3 minus 1. Now you'll just simplify. It equals 3x squared. This is the derivative of this equation. Okay, and on to the second example here. Just know that whenever you're taking, actually no, I'll explain it. Apply the same rule, f of x, f prime of x equals, this is your a, you'll keep that the same. Notice that there's no specific power, just note that it's raised to the power of 1. You'll bring that power down, x to the power n minus 1, 1 minus 1, which is 0. So you know that something to the power of 0 always equals 1, which will just mean that f prime of x equals 5. And the last one, 7x. Oh, sorry, I forgot the square. Okay, guys, completely ignore what I just said. Just assume that this was just 5x. Just assume that. Okay, I'll teach the x squared example down below. Here, you'll do the same thing. Keep the a the same. A is negative 7. Then you'll bring down the 2. The n minus 1, which is 2 minus 1. Then you'll get f prime of x equals 2 negative 14 x. That is your derivative of this function. Sorry, of this function. Okay guys, here we're moving on to a harder example. This is not that hard. Just know that if you ever see a variable in the denominator, you have to bring it up. And you know that whenever you bring it up, the power is going to be negative. So let's rewrite this equation. 3x squared negative 5x. You just put a negative beside the power it already has. So negative 2 plus 4x to the power 1/3. Now you'll just simply apply the power rule again. So f prime of x equals 3 times 2x n minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Minus 5 times negative 2. You'll bring the negative 2 down. X. You know that negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. So this will be to the power of negative 3. And here apply the same thing. It doesn't matter if the power is a fraction. 3x, sorry. Okay, and for the last power, you know that 1 over 3 minus 1, you'll make the denominators the same. 3 over 3 will be negative 2 over 3. That will be your power. Okay, guys, now, sorry, the camera's flittering. Okay, now the last step is just simplifying everything. So f prime of x will equal 3 times 2, 6x. You don't need to write the power of 1. Minus 5 times negative 2. You have to multiply the signs as well. So it will be plus 10 to the power of x negative 3. Here, you want to multiply the fractions. It'll be 4 over 3 plus 4 over 3, x to the power of negative 2 over 3. That's your final derivative, but there is a simpler way to write it by moving the x down, and I'll show that. Okay guys, so I rewrote this expression with the x's in the denominator. Just know that if it's ever raised to the power of negative something, you just move it to the denominator and keep the powers the same. Okay guys, so before I end the video, I want to give out a shout out to Fatima because she got the question in my last video right. So I want to say great job, you're doing awesome. And I want to see you engage more with my videos in the future. And I would also like to mention, Ryan, don't use AI to answer my questions. It makes me really upset. I hate AI and I want to see you guys do great. So please put in effort. So that's all for today, guys. I'll explain the other rules in my next videos. Bye.